Hello, welcome again on this testing series. Today, I want to tell you about the Jira security auditing tool. The tool name is JIRA-Lens and it is available on GitHub. So, what this tool basically do? This JIRA-Lens is a Python-based vulnerability scanner for Jira, and this tool performs 25 plus checks, including CVs and multiple disclosures on the provided Jira instance. So this is built on Python. So you have to install, like copy the code here, go to the terminal and put the command git clone, paste the link. Now go to the JIRA-Lens directory and run python 3 setup.py install. So your installation command is done. Now go to the again. There is a folder named JIRA-Lens. Go to JIRA-Lens and then you can use this tool on the given Jira instance. So cd JIRA-Lens. And now how you can run the tool? Just provide the target name using python 3 JIRA-Lens.py, specify the flag which is -u. U is for domain name or URL, and provide the Jira instance name or subdomain. Now JIRA-Lens will perform some CV checks and basically some vulnerability scans. As you can see, the given domain is not vulnerable to CVE 2019 3403, and this is vulnerable to some CVEs as well. You are provided with the link according to JIRA-Lens. Now you can open the link and you can see the information, which is basically a information disclosure according to the CV. So these informations are exposed on that particular domain. So this tool basically scans multiple CVs or some default checks. As you see, the user registration is disabled, the REST gadgets inaccessible, service desk sign up disabled, no unauthenticated access to screen found, and you found a query component field, right? So this tool is quite helpful when you are testing for some Jira instance, and you can quickly check for CVs, you can quickly check for some vulnerable paths, some high CVs as well. Like this is also shown that might be vulnerable with accesses. So use this tool, use this script to find quick vulnerabilities on the Jira instance.